Three ways to speed up everything when you're shooting with RAW. That involves delaying the RAW files transfer. So first one is the new default. When you install Xangle camera server, you're going to get the JPEG first and then the RAW files. My current setup is exactly about this. If I increase the ISO so we can see something, I take a first shot. We get the JPEG files, so we have the 8 of them. I have 8 cameras. Super quickly, we see the JPEG files, and the RAW files are getting transferred slowly after that. So you can see all of your images right away to figure out if there's a problem or not. Second way, we're going to delay even more. So we're going to activate the RAW on cards. And using this, we're going to get only the JPEG files first. So I'm going to change the white balance so we can see a difference in the colors in this data set. I take a shot. And then we're getting the JPEG. And we can clearly see that the RAWs are still on the SD cards. And from there, like you see here, 8 JPEG files acquired in 6 seconds. That was fast. So we can download the RAW files or discard them if the shot was not good enough. So we can move on to the next one. But we also have a new panel here with all of the data sets where we do have RAW files on the SD cards. And we can download them one by one or batch download everything. So we have the status here with the number of data sets where we have the RAW files waiting for us to download. So we can batch download all of the included data sets based on that toggle right here. So, and if we want to review, it's very simple. We click on the thumbnail and then we can click up and down to review and then decide if we want the shot or not. And the third method is to shoot on the camera's SD cards only. So that's very quick. So this is in cases where your actor cannot stay. You have to shoot very quickly and hope for the best. So you're going to shoot on the memory cards only. Check this out. So if I select cameras only for the images, then I can take a shot. Again, I'm changing the white balance just so we can see a difference in colors between one dataset to the other. So I take a shot. Nothing's happening, but we took the shot and we saw the thumbnails on the cameras, not in Xangle. However, if we go in the new module, let me reduce my face here. We go in camera storage and we analyze, we see everything that is on the memory cards and it's combined by data sets. And it even works with burst shots. They are combined together. We can see that right here. And if I control click, I can select all of my burst shots and download all of them as new data sets. Or I can take the last data set that I took. I can download the JPEG files, the RAW, or the whole data set. Meaning that we have all of our files on the cameras. So I feel like it's a safer option to always have SD cards on cameras. This way, if you have to shoot, you cannot wait for the files to come in. That's the way to go.